Exchange rates are the prices at which one currency can be exchanged for another. They play a crucial role in international trade, investment, and economic stability. Exchange rates influence the cost of imports and exports, trade balances, and a country's economic competitiveness. Exchange rate systems can be classified into fixed, floating, and managed float. In a fixed exchange rate system, a currency's value is pegged to another currency or a basket of currencies. In a floating exchange rate system, the currency's value is determined by market forces of supply and demand. A managed float is a hybrid system where market forces primarily determine the currency's value, but central banks intervene occasionally. Exchange rates are influenced by various factors, including interest rates, inflation rates, economic indicators, and political stability. Higher interest rates attract foreign capital, increasing currency value. Lower inflation rates increase currency value as purchasing power rises. Positive economic indicators like GDP growth and employment rates boost currency value, while political stability attracts foreign investment, further strengthening the currency. Exchange rate risk in international trade refers to the risk of fluctuations in exchange rates affecting the value of international transactions. It includes transaction risk, translation risk, and economic risk. Mitigation strategies include hedging with forward contracts and options, and natural hedging through currency diversification. The balance of payments, BOP, records all economic transactions between a country's residents and the rest of the world, consisting of the current account, capital account, and financial account. A BOP surplus increases currency value as it indicates more foreign currency flowing into the country, while a deficit decreases currency value due to more outflows. Central banks play a key role in exchange rate management through intervention by buying or selling currencies to stabilize exchange rates, adjusting monetary policy, particularly interest rates, to influence exchange rates, and maintaining foreign exchange reserves to ensure currency stability. Exchange rates significantly influence international trade and economic competitiveness, determined by factors such as interest rates, inflation, economic indicators, and political stability. Effective risk management involves hedging strategies like forward contracts and options, while central banks play a crucial role in stabilizing and managing exchange rates.